Hello friends, welcome back to another video on Dinas Academy, and this video is about present continuous tense, and please do watch the complete video to get the clear understanding of the topic. So without wasting the time, let's get into the topic. Before understanding the meaning, definition and the structure of present continuous tense, let's observe these pictures. Children are going to school, the boys are playing in the park, the baby is crying out loud. And when we look at all these pictures closely, we notice that in all the three examples or pictures, the action is ongoing. So when the action is ongoing in present, it is called present continuous tense or present progressive tense. So let's define the present continuous tense. So guys, let's know what is a present continuous tense. The present continuous tense, also sometimes called the present progressive tense, describes an action or verb that has taken place in the past and continues to take place in the present. For example, I am still studying for my exams. And when we look at the example closely, we notice that the verb study has taken the action in the past and continues to take place in the present. Hence, it is an example for present continuous tense. Hope the meaning and the definition of present continuous tense is clear to you guys. So let's move to the structure of the present continuous tense. There's definitely just one formula to master the present continuous tense, and that is subject plus am, is, are plus present participle, that is verb 1 plus ing plus rest of the sentence. Let me simplify the structure of the present continuous tense. Guys, in present continuous tense, we mainly use the be forms, and in be forms, we mainly use three forms, that is am, is, and are. I repeat, am, is, and are. These are the main be forms that we make use in present continuous tense, along with the main verb, that is V1 plus ing. Okay, the best method to identify the present continuous tense is whenever I come across the be forms, that is am, is, and are in the sentence along with V1 plus ing form, that is nothing but the present continuous tense. That is subject plus am or is or are plus verb plus ing plus object is the structure of present continuous tense. So let's understand this in a still better way. Here am and is are always used in singular form, whereas are is always used with the plural form. So am, is, and are the three be forms that we use in present continuous tense. Let's know this with the examples. I am going. Here, I is always used with am because I is a singular. I plus am plus go plus ing. I is a subject, am is a be form, and go is a main verb, that is V1 with ing. So, I am going is a present continuous tense, and I repeat, am is always used with I. And next is used with he or she or it. For example, he is playing, she is playing, it is running. When we look at all these three examples closely, here he, she, it are always used with is because all these three pronouns, that is subjects, here is used in singular and they are singular. Along with that, we have used different main verbs with ing form, and hence all these three examples are the examples of present continuous tense in singular form. Alright, now we got to know that the be forms am and is are always used in singular form in present continuous tense, and guys, there is an exception here. The pronoun you is always used with singular as well as the plural. For example, you are going. Here I is used with am in singular, you is used with are. This is an exceptional case. Please do remember this point, guys. Alright, let's move on to the structure of the present continuous tense using the different types of sentences, that is positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and negative interrogative sentence. So let's understand first with the positive sentence. And the structure of positive present continuous tense is subject plus am plus is or are plus verb 1 ing plus object. And this is a structure which we have discussed so far. Let's understand this with the example. I am reading a newspaper. You are doing it wrong. He is playing a football. And let's move to the negative structure of present continuous tense. The structure is subject plus am plus is plus are plus not plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. The only difference between the positive and the negative structure is in negative structure we come across the word not. The examples are I am not reading a newspaper, you are not doing it wrong, he is not playing a football. And the third type of structure of present continuous tense is interrogative sentence. Am plus is plus are plus subject plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. And guys, you can notice here first comes the verb, then the subject. But whereas in present positive and negative sentence, first comes the subject plus verb, that is helping verb. But when it comes to the matter of interrogative sentence, first we use helping verb, then followed by subject plus verb plus one ing plus object. For example, am I reading a newspaper? Are you doing it wrong? Is he playing a football? And the last one is negative interrogative. And the structure is isn't or aren't plus subject plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. For example, am I not reading a newspaper? Are you not doing it wrong? Or is he not playing a football? All right, we have discussed about the structure of the present continuous tense, and now let's know how do we spell the present continuous tense. We make the present continuous tense by adding ing to the base verb. Normally it's simple. We just add by ing, but sometimes we have to change the word a little. Perhaps we have to double the last letter or we drop a letter. Here are the rules that we will discuss now how to spell the present continuous tense. The first one is basic rule, just adding ing to the base verb. For example, work, working, play, playing. The next one is exception. If the base verb ends in consonant plus stressed vowel plus consonant, double the last letter. For example, stop, stopping, run, running. You can notice that here the last letter P is doubled when making the present to present continuous tense. The next one is if the base verb ends in ie, change the ie to y. For example, lie, lying, die, dying. And the last one is if the base verb ends in vowel plus consonant plus e, omit the e. For example, come, coming, mistake, mistaking. You can notice that we have been replaced e when we use that verb in present continuous tense because it ends with vowel plus consonant plus e. Alright, let's move on to the uses of the present continuous tense. Like the simple present tense, the present continuous tense is also generally used to talk about an action that is taking place in the present. But the only difference is that it denotes an action that is continuing to happen or progressing at the current moment. So, it is used to represent an action that is happening or progressing in the moment that the speaker is speaking. For example, my daughter is working on her project. And the second example is Ramu is driving a car. The second use of present continuous tense is it is used for fixed plans in the near future. For example, we are going to Basel on Saturday. And the third one is it is used for temporary action. For example, I am working in Rome this month. Here, when you notice this example, here I am working is only for temporary action as it denotes for a month only. And the fourth use of present continuous tense is it is used for the actions happening around the moment of speaking, that is longer action. For example, my friend is preparing for his exams. And the fifth use of present continuous tense is it is used with the trends. For example, more and more people are using their computers to listen to music. Here, are using is used in present continuous tense and it is going with the trend. And the last use of present continuous tense is it is used with the repeated actions which are irritating to the speaker. Example, with always, constantly, forever. Let's see the example. Andrew is always coming late. Okay guys, that's all in this video. And if you really like the content and the effort that you are putting in this channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.